Hello, dear children. Welcome to your online class, student. Today we going to learn a poem which is given in our English reader book. So for that, you have to take out your English reader book and open page number 54. So student, the title of this poem is A Happy Child. A Happy Child, student. In this poem, you have seen there is a little boy and he says about their activity of whole days. Okay, so let's read this poem. So first line of this poem is, my house is red. My house is red. The little boy said that the color of his house is red. This is the poem of a child who lives in a little red colored house. Okay. Next, the child always remains happy. He said that a happy child am I. The child says that he always remains happy. And I laugh and play the long, long day. The child says that he laughs and play for the whole day. And he says that I hardly ever cry. The boy says that he never cries. There is a green tree. You can see there is a green tree to near the house. The boy is saying that I have a tree, a green tree to shade me from the sun, and under it I often sit when all my work is done. So student, in this poem the child says that he lives in a red colored house and he always remain happy, and he laughs and play the whole day, and he never cries. And he says that he had a tree. He has a tree, a green tree. The color of tree is green, and the tree protect him from the heat of sun. And the boy sit under the tree when his all work will be finished. Okay, when his all work finished. So student, in this poem you can see all the activity of this boy, and after that you have to learn this poem with their spelling. So student, in this poem there is a basic word and their meaning. So let's find out the word. First, there is a word. First word is happy. So student, tell me, do you know the meaning of happy? Yes, the happy means glad. Okay, and after that, what the means of child? Child, a little one, a youngster. Okay, next word is laugh. Next word is love. Laugh. Love. So what the means of love? Do you know what the means of love? So it means smile with a loud sound. Okay, and after that there is a word hardly. What the means of hardly? It means rarely. Okay, sometime. And next is shed. SHADE, shed. So what the means of shed? Do you know? The meaning of shed is to protect from the heat and light of the sun. And student, now tell me what the means of sun. Do you know the meaning of sun? So sun, the star that shine during the daytime. Okay, and after that here is a word under. What the means of under? Under means below. Okay, under means below. And next there is a word done. What the means of done? Do you know? Done means finished. Okay, when the boy finished his work, they going to sit under the tree. Okay, so student, we have to read and learn this poem. After that, come to the exercises of this chapter. Here you can see there is a first exercise. In exercise A, you have seen there is a tick the correct words. Tick the correct words. So let's do this exercise. In first, the child has a little red car or a little red house. So tell me which option is correct, option A or option B. So we learned the poem and we know that the child has a little red house. So we have to take the option B. Now next, the child has the long day. So what will the child do? So here is the two option, laughs and play and laughs and cries. So you know that the child laughs and play the long day. Okay, so we have to take the option A. Now third, to shed me from the sun. What the means of to shed me from the sun? It means to protect me from the sun. We have to take the option A. Come to the next, 4. The child sits under the tree after the sun has set or the work is over. So correct option is the work is over. So we have to take the option B. Now come to the next, exercise B. In exercise B, there is a read aloud with your teacher. So student, let's read this given word. So one by one. First is drag, D-R-A-G, drag. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-Y, dry. Next word is F-R-A-M-E, frame. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. F-R-E-E, free. F-R-Y, fry. Next, T-R-A-C-E, trace. T-R-A-Y, tray. T-R-E-E, tree. And T-R-Y, dry. Come to the next. Next is G-R-A-P-E, grab. G-R-A-N-N-Y, granny. G-R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-E-A-T, great. Next is P-R-A-M, pram. P-R-I-N-C-E, prince. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. P-R-I-C-E, prize. Okay, like this you have to read this given word one by one. So student, now come to the next is exercise C. In exercise C, you can see there is a write two rhyming words for each of these words. So student, you have to write the two rhyming sound. Okay, you have to write the two rhyming words. So here is the first, red. So like we have to write bad and fat. Now come to the next, second, day. So what will we do? We have to write way and say. W-A-Y, way. S-A-Y, say. Next is sun. S-U-N, sun. So we have to write B-U-N, bun. G-U-N, gun. Next, fourth, there is a C-A-T, cat, and we have to write two rhyming sound. So there is a B-A-T, bat. M-A-T, mat. Next is S-I-T, sit. So we have to write the next rhyming sound, F-I-T, fit. B-I-T, bit. Next word is P-O-T, pot. So we have to write H-O-T, hot. N-O-T, not. Like this we have to complete this given exercise. We have to write two rhyming words. Okay. So student, I hope it is very interesting poem and you have enjoyed it, and you have to write this poem in your notebook. Okay student. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.